US crude WTI has given a slightly gap up and erased all the gains, now trading with a flat levels at 79.7. Likewise, NG once again has given a sharp gap down and achieved 2.64 levels. Now, what to expect today in these two? Can we expect a recovery in NG and can we expect a drop or a further recovery in oil? And if yes, which position you should take in order to profit, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon which will keep you updated with the daily updates and targets. The next update on oil will be released before the US session. Do watch that also. Let's start. First, we look into crude oil WTI, followed with NG. Do watch till the end. Do listen to it carefully. Do note down the levels and trade as per the level. On the hourly charts, you can see it has fairly consolidated here with the support at 79. Then it has given a gap up today. Now it is trying to erase all the gains and fill up the gap here, and which it almost can do if it breaks past 79.5. A little movement left right now. On the upside, you can see 80.5 giving it a very good resistance, and we all know that only above 81 we can confirm it for a little more bullishness there. Now, if you see the last Friday's move, higher highs, lower lows, and the pivot point right now at 81. So see, largely saying 82.6 is anyways is the ultimate resistance there, and 79 is the ultimate support for these, and rather I will say 78.8. So for these, 3.8 between 82.6 and 78.8, we have to remain extra cautious and vigilant. For the day, yes, a good buying entry is above 80.5 levels, beyond which I will expect it to hit, see, 80.8 and 81 levels, and once it breaks past 81, little more bullishness can be expected. Directional movement on the hourly chart is little bearish. Stochastic has seen a good drop. The MACD is on the sell side trying to converge. The RSI is trading at bottom. It was trading oversold. It has come out of the oversold zone. Now look at the 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour chart, see previous two candles, lower highs, higher lows, and this candle has given a breakout. Now it is trying to trade with further drop. Possibly it can fill the gap completely, and then we'll see how it behaves. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is has come out of the oversold zone, trading at comfortable levels. The MACD is extremely divergent and bearish. Probably it should start converging from here, which is a bullish indication, but it may stretch for a couple or more candles. The RSI is trading at bottom, and if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour chart, certainly 80 is the resistance with which it has tried to drop. It can try to drop further. 79.2 levels, a very good support, and then 78.8. Directional movement bearish, stochastic rising from the oversold levels. The MACD is divergent and bearish, and it is still looking down here on the 3-hour charts. RSI is also looking down. Now look at 4-hour charts. Now see, on the 4-hour charts, I will recommend you to sell at 79.4, but then expect 79.2, 78.8 as the extreme supports and a very good support levels, and only if it breaks below 78.5, bears can be called upon. So you can sell here at 79.4 levels and expect 79.2, 78.8, 78.5 as the major support, and below that it can give you a good draw for 78 also. Directional movement is moderately bullish. Stochastic has seen a good drop trying to rise out of the oversold zone. The MACD is divergent and bearish. The RSI is also trading near to bottom with moderate bearish bias. Now look at the daily charts. Now see, on the daily charts, one thing we have seen, it is giving higher lows here at 71st support, here at 74 next support, and now it is trying to create a higher base. Now what should be considered for a good breakout is some drop below 77 levels, below 77, and in fact I will say yes, 77 anyways is a good support. Below that, in fact, 76.5 is something you should look out for. Below that only you can consider this for a little breakout. Now what it is trying to do, see, drop here, rise, drop, rise, a little higher highs, but at this zone you can see flat at getting resistance and now trying to reverse again. Now possibility exists that it can try to come back till towards 77, 76.5 before it tries to move up. But if you look at the daily charts also, here you can see multiple candles getting the resistance at 82.6, which is definitely a good resistance. And since then it is trying to trade bearish. Also, if you look at the daily charts, higher lows are seen here, and hence it has to break past the previous candle low, which is right now situated at around 79, and then below that only a little bearishness might take it till towards 78.8, 78.5 levels, and below that only you can consider this for a little drop for 78, 77.5, 77 and 76.5. Till 76.5, 76 it has got very good resistance, and only bearish confirmation, remember, only bearish confirmation is if oil drops below 74. Directional movement is moderately bullish. Stochastic has seen a good drop. The MACD is trying to converge crossover for a sell. Remember, on the daily charts, MACD is looking forward to a sell here, which may bring little bearishness in oil. RSI is trading flat. Considering this, for the day, I will recommend you to sell at 79.4 and buy at 80.5 levels, and above 80.5 you can expect we can see 81, 80.8, 81 as the first resistance zone, and then 81.4 as the next resistance. Only if it trades above 81.4 you can expect 82, 82.5, and if it breaks beyond 82.5 you can remain bullish. For the rest of the week we may see 84, 85 levels. On the downside, yes, selling at 79.4 till 79.2, 79, 78.8, 78.5, and then only it is going to show you little bearish strength. Below 78.5 we may see little more bears taking it for 78, 77 and 76 levels. Also take your trades accordingly. Remember, trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. We have seen oil swinging in between range, and hence you have to trade strictly with the trailing stop loss. This time it is $0.3 or 30 cents. With a trailing stop loss of 30 cents, you should take your position so that in case of a reversal, your trade closes in profit. Now let's have a look at natural gas, and before we proceed, yes, if you want to learn the art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch and signals group. The mentorship batch 19th batch is going to start on 6th of February. The tools, techniques and strategies taught will definitely help you identify profitable trades, taking the right entries at the right times and exiting it at the right time. So both entry and exit is the art. So join my trading mentorship batch. Definitely it will help you in your trading decisions. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now let's have a look at the hourly charts for NG. Now NG, after giving a good drop till towards 2.64, it is trying to consolidate a bit. Now if you look closely on the hourly charts, it is getting stronger support here at 2.668, 6.75 levels, 2.675 levels and 2.68 levels. So this is a good support. Once it drops below this, you can expect another little drop which might take it till towards 2.66, and below that a little more drop can take it till towards 2.64 levels. Now on the upside, I will recommend you to buy here at 2.7 levels itself. Beyond 2.7 you can expect that this time it may bridge the gap 2.7 to 2.76, and 2.8 levels can be seen. Directional movement is bearish here. Stochastic at bottom. The MACD divergent and bearish here again, but it appears it has seen the peak and possibly it must converge from here. RSI is trading at bottom, and if you look at the 2-hour charts, likewise on the 2-hour charts, it is still getting the support on the downside. Lower highs are seen. Once it trades beyond this zone, that is 2.7 levels, you can expect that we may see 2.7 to 2.75 and 2.8 levels. So buy at 2.7, remain long, and sell at 2.67 levels, and we can expect little drop. Directional movement is bearish here. Stochastic is oversold. The MACD is again divergent and bearish. It is crossed over for a sell on the 2-hour charts. RSI at bottom. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, likewise on the 3-hour charts, it is trying to reverse, trading about 2.7. Certainly little more bullishness can be expected. Directional movement is bearish here. The stochastic has seen a good drop. The MACD has crossed over again for a sell here, and the RSI is trading at bottom. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts, see the previous candles was green, and now giving higher lows. It is trying to retrace a bit. Possibly it can achieve 2.7, 2.72, and only beyond that you can expect, if it breaks beyond 2.72, remain further bullish there. Directional movement is bearish, stochastic at bottom. The MACD has crossed over for a sell. The RSI is trading at bottom here on the 4-hour charts as well. And if you look at the daily charts, on the daily charts, only about 2.7, we can see little more bullishness, taking it till towards 2.7 to 2.75, and then beyond that 2.8 levels. And yes, it can try to bridge the gap completely. Today it's a possibility exists. The directional movement is extremely divergent, extremely bearish, stochastic oversold. The MACD is on green side trying to converge again. The RSI is trading extremely oversold here, and hence a bounce back any point of time can be seen here till 2.5. It has got very good supports here. So considering this for the day, you can sell at 2.67 levels and expect 2.6465 as the first support, and then below that you can expect a little more drop, which might take it till towards 2.6 to 2.6 dollars. Only below 2.6 it is to be considered bearish for the day, where you can expect a stronger drop. On the upside, you can buy at 2.7, expect 2.7 to 2.75, and then we may see 2.8 and 2.85 levels, and beyond that anyways it is going to remain bullish. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals group, reach out to me for more details. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.